Hello viewer, today we will learn about test, measurement, assessment and evaluation. So we are covered 50 short question answer in this video. So my first question is, what is test? A test is an assessment tool used to measure a student's knowledge, skills or abilities. Okay. Question number 2. What is difference between a test and an assessment? A test is a specific tool used to measure student learning, when assessment is a broader process that includes test, observation and other methods to evaluate student learning. Okay, question number 3. What is measurement in education? Measurement in education refer to the process of assigning numbers or scores to students' performance or behavior. Okay, question number 4. What is assessment? Assessment is the process of gathering information about student learning to make informed decision. Okay, question number 5. What are the type of assessment? So there are four basic types. Number 1, formative assessment. Number 2, summative assessment. Number 3, diagnostic assessment and evaluative assessment. Okay, question number 6. What is formative assessment? Formative assessment is an ongoing process of evaluating student learning to identify areas of improvement. And what is evaluation? Evaluation is the process of making judgment about the quality or value of student learning or a program. Okay, question number 8. What is the difference between assessment and evaluation? Assessment focus on gathering information, while evaluation focus on making judgment about the quality or value of student learning. Okay, question number 9. What is the purpose of evaluation? To determine the effectiveness of a program or student learning is the purpose of evaluation. Okay, question number 10. What are the types of evaluation? The types of evaluations are formative, summative, and diagnostic evaluation. Okay, question number 11. What is summative evaluation? Summative evaluation is the process of evaluating student learning at the end of a program or course. Okay, question number 12. What is diagnostic evaluation? Diagnostic evaluation is the process of identifying students' strengths and weakness. Okay, question number 13. What is rubric? A rubric is a scoring guide used to assess student performance. Okay. Question number 14. What is a portfolio? A portfolio is a collection of student work used to assess progress and achievements. Okay, question number 15. What is a multiple choice question? A multiple choice question is a type of question that provides several answer options. Okay, question number 16. What is reliability in assessment? Reliability refers to the consistency of assessment result. Okay, question number 70. Validity. What is validity in assessment? Validity refers to the extent to which an assessment measures what it is supposed to be measured. Okay, question number 18. What is face validity? Face validity refer to the extent to which an assessment appears to measure what it is supposed to measure. Okay, question number 19. What is difference between norm reference and criteria reference test? Norm reference test compare student performance to that of a large group, while criterion reference test evaluate students' performance based on specific criteria. Okay, question number 20. What is a standardized test? A standardized test is a test that is administered and scored in a consistent manner. Okay. Question number 21. What is the purpose of assessment in education? To inform instruction, evaluate student learning, and promote accountability is the purpose of assessment in education. Okay, question number 22. What is the role of technology in assessment? Technology can facilitate assessment, provide immediate feedback, and enhance student engagement. Okay. Question number 23. What is the significance of assessment literacy? Assessment literacy refers to the knowledge and skill needed to design and use assessment effectively. Okay, question number 24. What is the purpose of a table of specification? A table of specification is used to ensure that in assessment measure the intent learning objectives. Okay, question number 25. What is the difference between a quiz and a test? A quiz is a brief assessment, while a test is a more comprehensive assessment. Okay. Question number 26. What is the significance of feedback in assessment? Feedback provides students with information about their performance and helps them improve. Okay, question number 27. What is the role of assessment in student motivation? Assessment can motivate students to learn and provide a sense of accomplishment. Okay, question number 28. What is the purpose of a needs assessment? A needs assessment is used to identify the needs of a student or a program. Okay, question number 29. What is the significance of cultural sensitivity in assessment? Cultural sensitivity ensure that assessments are fair and unbiased. Okay, question number 30. What is the role of assessment in accountability? Assessment provide information about students' learning and program effectiveness, promoting accountability. Okay, question number 31. What is the difference between a formal and informal assessment? Formal assessment are structured and standardized, while informal assessment are unstructured and flexible. Okay. Question number 32. What is the significance of assessment accommodations? Assessment accommodations provide students with disabilities or English language learners with equal access to assessment. Okay. Question number 33. What is the purpose of a test blueprint? A test blueprint, the print outlines the structure and content of a test. What is the significance of item analysis? Item analysis is used to evaluate the effectiveness of individual test items. Okay, question number 35. What is the role of assessment in instructional design? Assessment informs instructional design by identifying students' need and evaluating program effectiveness. Okay, question number 36. What is the significance of validity evidence? Validity evidence is used to support the interpretation and use of assessment results. Okay. Question number 37. What is the purpose of a pilot test? A pilot test is used to evaluate the effectiveness of an assessment before its implementation. Okay. Question number 38. What is the significance of test security? Test security ensures the integrity and the validity of assessment results. Okay. Question number 39. What is the role of assessment in student self-assessment? Assessment can help students develop self-assessment skills and take ownership of their learning. Okay. Question number 40. What is the significance of assessment bias? Assessment bias can result in unfair or inaccurate assessment result. Okay, question number 41. What is the purpose of a grading rubric? A grading rubric is used to evaluate student performance and provide feedback. Okay, question number 42. What